What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae XO, and I'm back with another video. So as y'all can tell by the title today, I feel like I have not done an intro in so long, y'all. It's been a long time since I made a YouTube video, but so much has changed. So many things have gone on, and that just felt so weird to just say that. But anyway, y'all are here for a reason. So the reason for this video today is to basically explain to y'all why I chose to go to nursing school rather than PA school, and like what's my updates with PA school. I mean, not PA school, with nursing school and all of that. So if you're interested in hearing about that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I know some of y'all who have been following me for a while, or people who know me, know that I had every intention on going to PA school since like my sophomore year in college. Freshman year, I changed my major from pre-med to pre-PA because I was just like, you know, pre-PA, PA school is way less, I feel like it's less school, number one. It's probably more stress, but it was less school. I think that's what got me, the schooling part. So after I graduated, you know, I started working as a medical assistant and try to get my experience together in order to apply to PA school, because, you know, in order to apply, you gotta have 1,000,001 shadowing hours and like clinical hours and all of this good stuff. So I was working as a medical assistant, and I still work as a medical assistant now, but yeah, so long story short, let's make the very long story short. Long story short, I didn't get in to PA school, which I kind of figured I wouldn't because my test scores wasn't high enough, or it was one more thing. My test scores, and my GPA, my college GPA. Like the test I could have retook and got a higher score, obviously, but like your college GPA, you can't really change that unless you take more classes. So I was like, okay, you know, it's cool. I just wanted to apply for the experience, so now I know what to expect. I'll just apply again next year. So as I was moving back to Atlanta from Savannah, I got a job as medical assistant up here, and I was just thinking, like, do I want to reapply to PA school, or do I want to look into other options? So I know a lot of people that's in nursing school actually, but I was talking to someone one day about PA school, and he was just basically telling me, because he's a nurse, so he was basically telling me, like, you know, trying to convince me to come to the nursing side, saying that, oh, you know, PAs and nurse practitioners make the same amount of money, blah, blah, blah. I mean, it is more school, but I mean, you got to work for what you want, basically. So, we had a whole conversation about it, and I started thinking about, maybe I should look into nursing. So I did my research. I was looking into nursing school, and I found out, like, it's crazy because as soon as I was looking into nursing schools, like, I think applications opened maybe like a month later, if that long. So it was a good thing that I got on it when I did. But so I was looking into nursing schools in Atlanta because I didn't want to have to leave again. So I was looking at nursing schools in Atlanta, or like the Atlanta area, and I wanted to do an accelerated program because I already have a bachelor's degree. So long story short, I was applying to Kennesaw and Emory, and Kennesaw and Emory were the only accelerated nursing programs in Atlanta. Like Georgia State had one, but then they canceled it or some crazy stuff, I don't know. But those were the only two that I found in Atlanta. So one of my line sisters is actually in nursing school at Augusta University, but she was telling me that all their classes are online right now because of COVID or whatever. So I decided to apply to Augusta University for the Athens campus though. So Athens is maybe like an hour from my house, if that. But she was basically telling me the only times I would have to come on campus is to take a test or for lab, and she said they do labs once a week in Athens and whenever I have an exam. So I mean, that's doable. And if they do end up going to like in-person classes, I'll just have to move, obviously. But as of right now, my plans are to stay here and just commute. I guess I just spilled the beans. But yes, y'all, so I did get into Augusta University, Athens campus. So I guess, I don't know if I should do a whole nother video on my application process. Yeah, I'm gonna do a whole nother video. So if you wanna see like my whole application process and like what I had to do to get into nursing school, y'all stay tuned for the next video, because I'm gonna just go ahead and record after this. So stay tuned for that. So I will be starting nursing school in the fall. I will graduate December of 23. So I'll start fall 22 and graduate winter, I guess, or like the end of fall 23. I'm going to school basically year round until I graduate, which I mean, that's not fine. I mean, not fine. That's not a problem. I kind of did that in college anyway because I was taking summer classes, so I did continuous work anyway. But I just know nursing school is gonna be a little bit more stressful, so I might need that break. But you know, we'll see. We'll see how that goes. So since I switched to nursing, my end goal obviously is a nurse practitioner, because I looked at like salaries and like pay differences or whatever. And so for me to make the money that I wanted to make, if I would have been a PA, I have to be a nurse practitioner, which, you know, that's cool. I think after I graduate, I have to go to a nurse practitioner, well, attend a nurse practitioner program. I don't know why that was so hard to come out. A nurse practitioner program, which I think is like 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. Which, I mean, I've been in school this long. What's 2 more extra years gonna do? Like, it's okay. What else do I have written down on here? I think that's pretty much it. So y'all, I'm gonna start getting back on YouTube again. So y'all start expecting my, I guess, like career videos, which I'm gonna be in school for another year. So I guess college/career videos, nursing videos. Yeah, y'all seem to really like the medical assistant day in the life that I did. So I'm thinking about doing another one, because I'm still a medical assistant, but I work at a different place, obviously. So I'm thinking about doing one for that place, but I don't do nearly as much as I did at the other job that I had in Savannah. So it might be kind of boring. So I'm gonna think about that. But yeah, I just want to make this quick little video to let y'all know that I got into nursing school. So I'll be starting school in the fall, and I'm so excited. I'm so ready to get it going. Like, I've been out of school at this point. What is this? This 2022, right? Yeah, this 2022. I've been out of school in May, it'll be 2 years now, and I feel like it's been forever. So hopefully I can get back in the swing of things when it comes back to classes and stuff. So y'all pray for me, keep me in y'all prayers. I know I'm gonna do good though, because like I've always been like a really determined person. I always make sure I'm on top of my stuff. So like I said, y'all just come along and join me on my journey into graduation, or really maybe after that. I don't know how long this YouTube will be going, but yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, stay tuned for the application process, because I'm about to film that right now. But I will see y'all in my next video. So until then, peace.